researchers at the American University showed that spinach, when converted from its leafy, edible form into carbon nanosheets, can act as a catalyst for an oxygen reduction reaction in fuel cells and metal air batteries. To create the nanosheets, the researchers put the spinach through a multi-step process that included washing, juicing and freeze-drying the spinach, manually grinding it into a fine powder, and infusing the resulting carbon nanosheet with extra nitrogen to improve its performance. The research demonstrates how inexpensive and less toxic catalysts can be made for an oxygen reduction reaction from natural resources. Spinach is a good candidate because it survives in low temperatures, is abundant and easy to grow, and is rich in iron and nitrogen, both essential for this type of catalyst. How do you feel about key components of your electric car battery being grown in somebody's backyard? Please let us know in the comments below. For more fascinating science and technology news, click the thumbnail on your screen. If you're a fan and want to do something good for the planet, click the subscribe button.